What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Tita, and I'm back with another video. And today we're gonna be reacting to Aaron the Plumber crashing out for 10 minutes straight. It's basically a compilation of this crashing out every time, bro. If you don't know Aaron the Plumber, bro, you have not been on the internet, bro. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you, bro. This man Aaron has been fighting everybody for the smallest thing. He ain't let nothing slide, bro. I'm telling you right now. If you so much sneeze within 5 feet of that, he's beating your ass. That's just how that go, bro. But anyway, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell so you can know when I post. And let's get into it.
No.
Run that thing. Win, lose, or draw. Like Pokemon, I gotta catch them all.
Already.
Hey, man. You know, these are contestants right here on the show. Yeah, man. Hey, your girl might just get snatched tonight, man. You know, she might be on the show getting snatched tonight because there's some real players in here, man. No Diddy, though, man.
A few moments later.
Right.
But thank you. You did me a favor as well.
Dang.
My eyes are up here, baby. Are you looking at the tattoo?
No, I'm looking at the hair on your arms. You know,
There's a lot of weird activities going on, and I don't like that. I don't like that.
the women I deal with, they don't have hair on their arms.
Don't do too much.
Alright.
Hey, I'm just being honest,
Don't do
man.
too much.
You know, I don't like that. That's all
Okay.
I was looking at. You trying to say if I'm looking at particular body
You just
parts,
wasn't
but
looking at
that's
my
not
eyes.
what it is.
That's
No, I was
all
looking at the hair on your
Anyways,
arms, Queen.
she asked me the question.
Yes.
Since you want to come
Damn.
at everybody over here, I'm going to get at you too. You kind of look like a Ninja Turtle. You're not that cute.
A Ninja Turtle's crazy. Nah, hey, I'm not gonna lie. He don't look too far away from a Ninja Turtle, bro. He don't look too far from a Ninja Turtle. He looks like a Ninja Turtle. He does.
You need to relax. You stocky as hell.
Okay.
And you kind of look like a Ninja Turtle.
I'm the biggest
Damn.
turtle. I got motion. I'm the biggest turtle. I got motion.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Stop talking to me, homie. Matter of fact, since you a man, you know, let's get G, man, in a real way.
What?
You said I was sexy and you know that, but I really got a nigga though. You said I was sexy and you know that, but I really got a nigga though.
These females will give you some before they buy you a burger. Yeah. Why is that? Because the burger holds more value.
That shit was not funny. That shit was not funny. Deshae just laughed because he didn't want to get his ass beat. But
In a real way, bro.
He could afford the 5-star restaurant that you claim. He could afford all that. Like, we really should
Bruh, what the hell, man? Y'all don't even need no security.
Ain't nobody worried about none of that.
You don't
Come
need
on, come
no
on.
security.
Let's just go.
don't need no
No.
She ain't talking about nothing. You ain't talking about. Who ain't?
Come on, no.
damn. Right? No.
Matter of fact, since you a man, you know, let's get G, man.
Damn.
Since you a man.
In a real way. Don't get it misconstrued. Aaron the Plumber is not just a mother plumber. I was a whole gangster before this plumbing shit came about.
Absolutely.
Allegedly. You know what I'm saying? I didn't put my footwork in.
Yeah.
In a real way.
Okay.
Hey, bro, it don't matter if a nigga YouTube or not. I'm a gangster though, too, though. Don't get that misconstrued. Okay, this my nigga, though. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, don't talk to the homie like that, though. Oh, well, okay, what you saying? What you saying? You saying about that? Yo. I'm just saying. Okay, bro, don't matter, nigga. Don't talk to the homie like that. The nigga don't want to buy none of your stuff. All right, bro. Disrespectful? For sure, nigga.
Damn. Look, bro, I'm telling you, he does not let nothing slide, bro. I'm gonna tell y'all this now. He does not let nothing slide. Nothing at all, bro. He be on it, bro. Maybe like he's really teaching us something, bro. We just let too much slide, no matter how small it is, gang. On some real shit, bro. We gotta get right, gang.
Good, bro. Nigga, what is you saying? Nigga, you still running your mouth, nigga. You know, talking weird ass nigga. Yeah, come on. Dead homies, nigga get punched out.
Dub, he said, I'm not playing. What the f?
Okay, wait, bruh. Tap in, bruh. Tap in, bruh. We can squabble.
Oh, shit.
Man, I'll put you in your pockets, boy.
Oh,
Put him right on his pockets. Tell him how much money he want to put up. I ain't gonna play with him. I ain't gonna play either. He talking crazy, too.
he talking crazy.
I'm coming in all haymakers.
Whoa. Yeah.
Yeah, he in LA, bro. A nice area too.
Oh yeah, he better stay in that ice area.
Run that fade. Win, lose, or draw.
You
like
on that.
Pokemon, I gotta catch them all.
What?
In a real way, I'm not turning down nothing. I'm not backing down from no man. Bring the biggest. Matter of I got down with the biggest nigga on the yard.
Yeah. I'm so cool on this nigga. I'm so cool on that. I gotta catch them all. Yeah, he's on bullshit. Yep. He's on bullshit. Yep. Round of applause for that.
Niggas ain't gonna get up on my face. You wanna come squat? You wanna come squat, nigga? You wanna come squat? Nigga, you just get it.
Oh, bro. Come on, bro. No. We ain't. Come on, bro. Trying to be
Be a
copyright.
hog. We whooping the asses. We whoop the asses.
What the f is that? Wait, hold on. I swear to God, we're not doing this. Nah, bro. Wait, hold on.
I'll turn up on both of y'all right now. What does that mean? What does that even fucking mean, bro? It can mean whatever. It can mean whatever. I'm just asking you a question, bro. What the fuck you doing, bro? Tone it down then, homie. On me, I'll punch on both of you niggas right now. Yeah, homie. What are you saying? Yeah, I know. You know what? What you mean? What do you know, dude?
Okay, first off, what the fuck are these edits? What am I watching, bro? Okay, I like the crash outs though. Crash outs is crazy.
I'm finna show you what I know now. The twins, they running their mouth, you know, and at this point, I'm like, bruh, I'm talking to them, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Stop talking to me, homie. Matter of fact, since you're a man, you know, let's get G, man, in a real way.
You guys already know.
Wow.
This shit's gonna be good.
What's up, sir? Who you talking to?
Hey, Queen.
Talking about some Queen.
You gonna be yourself
You know what I'm
today?
saying? What? What
You gonna
mean,
be yourself?
myself?
Like,
Hey,
be
man, you better
yourself.
watch how you talking to me, man.
Did you care about that
You a
when you were
man,
trying to
right?
kiss me?
Trying to kiss you? Man, what?
Nigga, run that fade. Win,
do
lose,
that.
or draw.
You on
like
that.
Pokemon, I gotta catch them all.
For real, in a real way. Do not come in here playing, boy. I promise you. That ain't even nothing I play about. Cause I didn't really whoop dudes in prison behind Islam. I didn't really shed blood behind this. Don't play with me in a real way. You know what I'm saying? Y'all send me her username so I could block her, bruh. For real. I don't like that, bro. Don't play with me. For real. Don't play with me like that.
Yo, he on that.
Bro, hey, last shorty was tripping, bro, but in a real fucking way, bro. When you booking that chop, bro, when you booking
In a real way.
that fade, like, we gotta run that back. Like, when you come back to Houston, bro.
25,000, bro. I ain't trying to talk about no bigotry, man. Get up out of here, man. You know what I'm saying? 25,000 if you want to squabble me.
We want me a liar? Yeah. Okay, well, let's get down, bro. Get down right now. Nigga, I ain't never been out like.
I think this a fight that he lost. I'm not gonna lie.
And I swear to God, if you throw anything,
A few moments later.
I didn't slap you.
No, I'm going
What
home.
I did was
You just
slap
slapped me on
Bro.
national television. You just degraded me. Stop.
What? We don't do that. What? Don't do what, bro? We don't do all that. We don't do all that. We don't do all that. Should respect it. Nigga, we respecting it. It's nothing to feel uncomfortable about. Come on, let's go. Nothing. It's not even that deep. You act like somebody finna clip something. Put that everybody in here. I don't know. I don't feel comfortable. I don't like what niggas is saying on camera. I don't like it, nigga. Period. Nigga, I don't like it, nigga. We don't do that. We don't over here. I'm telling you.
Nah. He dead ass don't let. Okay, they a little bit too close to each other. I'm not gonna lie, but this don't let nothing slide, bro. I've never seen him let anything slide, bro.
Okay, so guess what? If you don't like what niggas saying on camera, nigga, we said shit, and we still doing it. You just jump your arm. No, it's not. Nigga, I don't listen. Okay.
A few moments later.
He's lucky he didn't get punched the f out.
Bro, you gotta stop thinking somebody out to get you.
Bro,
you see how hold on, stop that. You see how your girl got the camera posted in the nigga face, and the nigga saying what they saying? Am I getting mad at you? No. So the camera's gonna be out,
What
nigga.
are you yelling at me for,
Cause you was just doing all that yelling at them, man.
It don't matter, nigga. I'm sitting right here, nigga.
Yeah, but you was
I'm
doing
not
all that
comfortable
fucking
with
yelling.
it. Nigga, I'm not comfortable with
Okay,
it,
so a nigga was trying to reroute the shit, nigga. And you sitting here doing all that for what?
All that fake, y'all know that fake gangster shit for
Nigga, what you mean?
Bro,
Fake
stand
gangster
in the car,
what?
'cause listen, you
Fake
don't wanna
gangster,
do
yeah,
that.
you gonna have to grab
Stand
a
in that
two. You gonna have to get a two.
You do not
You
wanna
gonna
do
have to
that.
get a two. You gonna have to.
do not wanna
I'm a,
do that.
nigga, we could go.
Aaron the Plumber's not just a mother plumber. I was a whole gangster before this plumbing shit came about.
Wow.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.
Yeah. Well, there it is, bro. I'm not gonna lie. He don't let nothing slide, gang. That boy, he's somebody I probably wouldn't play with. He too buff. You're gonna have to get a tool for him. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But anyway, man, if you liked the content and the reaction, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, and join my Discord to recommend me any good videos you think I should react to. It will be on the channel. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for joining in and tuning in. It's your boy Tito, and I'm out. Peace.